Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So iBetway Premiership iyaphela kule weekend esiza kuyona. Njengoba nje izophela iBetway Premiership. Mhlawumbe ngithe awuthi ke ngibhale abadlali mina ngokwami abangidlalele kahle kule season le. Yabo. Each and every position umdlali ongidlalele kahle, yabo. Ngikho biased, I'm just stating mina ngokwami i-team of the season yeBetway Premiership kule season. Wena ke ungangitshela eyakho ukuthi ke i-team of the season wena inganjani, ungitshele ema comments, ungayigxeke yami. I'm not blaming or undermining any player. I'm not undermining any player. Ama players ayadlala wonke kahle kwiBetway Premiership, but ke ngokwami these are the players engibonile ukuthi ayike each and every position abajida bayidlale kahle iposition yabo. Yabo, ngokwami you can tell me your Betway Premiership team of the season kuma comments. Ungangixeki bafethu, ngiyathanda ukungixeka. I know for a fact I will find a comment umuntu ezogxeka. Ungagxeki, ngitshele wena okwakho ukuthi ke wena ungayibeka kanjani iBetway team of the season. Ngiqale nje epalini. I'm sure baningi abantu ke abazofika kumina bezongilwisa, but ke iqiniso bafethu lilihle lonke kumele silivume bafethu. Yabona mina ngokwami uPeterson umjida ngokwami ungidlalele kahle kule season. Yabo. Never mind ukuthi ke umjida ke wayithola i-injury back in December January lapho, yabo, because ubonile ngosikhathi ayitholile i-injury iKaizer Chiefs ayidlalanga kahle. Ayidlalanga kahle iKaizer Chiefs during that period of time ngosikhathi ayitholile i-injury. Wabuya back umjida, wabuya wazoyibamba iKaizer Chiefs, wayiqinisa, babuyela le Africa bawudlala kwiCAF Confed. So kuba khona kwakhe kuyisizile iKaizer Chiefs, and umjida mwasubheke ama stats akhe nawo mahle kakhulu, kodwa ke compared to other goalkeepers abakhona kwiBetway Premiership I don't think uzoyithola inina igoalkeeper of the season, but ke ngokwami umjida udlale kahle this season. Masukuthi ke kuma center backs, center back pairing I know futhi ke abanye abantu bazongilwisa, but ke based on ibhola engilibuka bafethu, I'm a huge admirer of these two center backs. I'm a huge admirer of indlela abadlala ngakhona ibhola, indlela abarelaxe ngakhona. Lebone siyema umjida mina ngokwami uyayideserve i-defender of the season. Umjida udlale kakhulu kule season le. Benayo ubani na uCupido abajida. I wish to see them one day representing iBafana Bafana. Yabo. I know it's a dream kancane siyibona iphumelela, but ke I wish to see them representing iBafana Bafana. Abajida badlala kakhulu. I-level abayilethile kule season so far badlala kakhulu abajida. So for me these are the two center backs I would put in my team of the season. Wena ke ngokwakho ungangitshela ukuthi ke imaphi ama center backs ongawafaka on your team of the season. Masukuthi ke kuma wing backs, I know futhi ke there are a lot of people who are going to come for me bethi awuvani, hawu bakhona abadlali bakanje. Guys, tell me your team of the season kuma comments. Lapha ku right wing back bafethu I will put Matuluti. I know a lot of people will say why not ubani na umdawu bafethu. This is not iBafana Bafana, this is my team of the season. Mina ngokwami umjida ongidlalele kakhulu kule season le. Indlela adlala khona kule season le ungazusho ukuthi hayi umjida benginayo injury. I remember last season umjida uhlaselwe i-injury on a crucial moment lapho khona ke i-injury ebengayidingi khona, but ke indlela responde ngayo kuleyo injury uyakhombisa ukuthi ke umdlali odeserve ukudlalela top 3 best clubs akhona kwiBetway Premiership, because indlela responde ngakhona right now usedlala 10 times better than he was last season. Indlela esedlala ngakhona right now. So mina ngokwami umjida bafethu udlale kahle kakhulu kule season, so I would put him as my right wing back. And someone would say Sibelebele, mara guys, let's be honest, Sibelebele was injured almost half of the season. First half of the season yethu umjida ube injured. Yabo, uSibelebele ube injured uSibelebele. Sibe nje nevari bafethu usathanda kubuye uSibelebele ube wenza operation end. So lapha na kwi left wing back I don't think kumele ngikhulume kakhulu. He's the best player so far ku Betway Premiership in that position. I don't think ukhona umdlali ofika close ku Dion Hoto in that position. You can tell me in the comments who is your left wing back wena ngokwakho kwabajida abadlalayo la ku Betway Premiership. Masukuthi ke in that number 6 position. In that number 6 position bafethu I would put Usise, the player who is playing for Golden Arrows. The guy is so good. The guy is so good for his age. Indlela adlala ngakhona ngeke ngithuke mase ngibona uSise bafethu esignwa amanye ama team aphesheya next season. Ngeke ngithuke indlela adlala ngakhona umjida. You can see ukuthi ke he is not your typical number 6. He's that number 6 odlala ngempela umjida uphuma ko representer iIvory Coast le kuyaFCON kuyintwana zayo iIvory Coast. So umjida ikhona vele idevelopment khona i-development iningi la yabo, even though esayintwana there is a future kubani na kusise. Ngenzeka simbone e-Europe in the next 5 years or 6 years, maybe ngenzeka simbone kwezimnyama, kwazi ba asazi. Masukuthi ke abadlali abazodlala phambili kwakhe ngokwami, remember ngokwami, based on indlela engilibuka ngakhona ibhola, based on abadlali engibabonile bedlala so far kwi-Betway Premiership, in that number 8 position I would put bani na, I would put uTalente Mbatha. I would put uTalente Mbatha as a number 8 in my team of the season. Wena you can tell me ukuthi ke uba number 8 wakho ongamfaka. Reason why I'm putting uTalente Mbatha, remember uTalente Mbatha ever since he came back kwi-Orlando Pirates, I don't remember Orlando Pirates idliwa umdlalo. Ever since wabuya kwi-Orlando Pirates, lapho khona Orlando Pirates idliwa khona usuke ngekho. Uma usubheke ama-losses Orlando Pirates watholile kule season, against St. Lupopo ubengekho uMjida, against inina, against Sekhukhune United ubengekho uTalente Mbatha, against iMarumo Gallants ubengekho, against iMamelodi Sundowns ubengekho. Each and every game uMjida mekhona for Orlando Pirates ihlezi izowina because uprovide istability kwisisu sayo Orlando Pirates. There are a lot of people abangam-understand ukuba khona kwakhe uMjida. Yabo, he may not score you goals, he may not assist for the team, but he make the team play better. Yabo, wenza i-team idlale kahle and ibe ne-stability when it comes to defending. Yabo, nalawo ma-passes akhe adala ama-creating opportunities. Yabo, so for me uMjida uyadeserve ukudlala on my Betway Premiership 2025-2026 team of the season. Mase kuthi ke laphana abafethu ku number 10 position, I don't need to announce this guy. He is the Betway Premiership player of the season in my books. Relebohile Mofokeng, for me uMjida uyadeserve ukudlala as number 10 in my lineup. Masukuthi ke kuma wingers, I know Brian Leon, some people will say how vane uLeon usasana kufika nje uLeon. Bafethu uLeon equality. uLeon equality. You can say whatever you want to say. Brian Leon is quality, guys. The guy is quality. You can argue with The Rock, you can argue with your ancestor. Mjida ngamdlalisa bafethu on that left wing position. There is a place that I'm living here because there is a guy ongisurprisile odlale kahle kakhulu kule season le. Masukuthi ke ka right nakhona bafethu. He doesn't need any introduction. You know him. Oswin Apolis. Masukuthi ke lapha up front, Dion. He's my main guy. He's my main striker. The current goal scorer or top currently. Onamagoli amaningi. uMjida udlale kahle kakhulu. You would think indlela adlala ngakhona udlalela team enkulu, kanti cha. Akayidlaleli mfethu iPirates, akayidlaleli iSundowns, akayidlaleli iChiefs. Yabo, akawadlaleli lama team manje ngoSekhukhune aphezulu. Udlalela iGolden Arrows, but indlela ascora ngakhona, he is outscoring all of these teams indlela adlala ngakhona. I really like bafethu uDion. He's that striker oyifuna nje eboxini enamandla eshaya nje inqaku kuphela. So this is my Betway Premiership team of the season. You can tell me your Betway Premiership team of the season. Wangitshela ama comments bafethu uvane lo.